Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Headlight Mitsubishi Outlander 2006, only way. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts, then open the hood and locate the headlight housing. Remove the air intake or battery tray if it obstructs access. Unclip the wiring harness and turn the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove the old bulb. Replace with the correct bulb, secure the socket, and reconnect the battery when finished. Begin with clear space and good lighting to make the job straightforward and safe. Lay out tools in the order you will use them and confirm the bulb type matches your vehicle. Disconnecting the negative battery terminal is a simple safety step that prevents sparks and protects electronics. Keep screws and clips in a small tray so nothing gets lost, and wear gloves to protect both your hands and the bulb surface. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading repair manuals and how-to guides while you work, and it fits easily in a tool bag. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear tutorials. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, then grab a snack and a charge for your phone. Now let's get back to the video. Access can be tight, so be patient and avoid forcing parts. Remove any components blocking the headlight housing, then expose the bulb socket. Press the wiring harness release tab and pull the connector straight back to avoid damaging pins. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise until it releases, then carefully remove the old bulb. Inspect the housing for moisture or damage before installing the new bulb to ensure optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.